How to create a free Amazon account. Follow these steps. Go to Amazon.com. You want to hover the mouse over the Account List tab in the upper right-hand corner. Under the Sign In button, click Start Here. Complete the form with your name, email, and password, and click on Create Your Amazon Account. Follow the prompts to verify your email address. Once you create your account, you'll see Hello and your name directly above the Account and List tab. Next, enter a valid address to download apps. Hover your mouse on the Account and List tab and click Your Account. Click Your Addresses near the middle of the screen, then Add Addresses. Complete the form with your full name, your street address, city, state, zip code, and phone number, and then click the Add Address button. Finally, if you do not wish to add your credit card number to your account, you must disable one-click settings. Hover the mouse on the Account List tab and click Your Account. Find More Ways to Pay near the middle of the screen, then click One-Click Settings. Click Disable One-Click Everywhere. For more how-to videos to install and set up your Amazon Fire TV stick and download the Arvig Wi-Fi TV app, visit arvig.net/Wi-Fi TV. For more information, call, click, or visit Arvig.